In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Descript. Whether you're working on static text, such as titles or subtitles, or adjusting captions generated from your transcript, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your text looks exactly how you want it. First, let's talk about static text elements like titles or subtitles. To get started, you'll want to add or select a text layer. Head over to the right sidebar, and from the Elements panel, choose either a text, subtitle, or title element, depending on your needs. If you need to add a new text layer, just click on one of these options, and it will appear on your timeline or scene, ready to be customized. If you're working on an existing text layer, simply click on it to select. This will allow you to access and modify it. Now that you've selected your layer, it's time to customize it. Locate the Properties panel, which is usually on the side pane of your workspace. The Properties panel is your go-to spot for customizing various aspects of the text, but right now, we are focused on the font. Within this panel, you'll spot the Font drop-down menu. By clicking on this drop-down, you can scroll through a variety of fonts until you find the one that fits your project's vibe or theme. Changing the font can significantly impact the presentation and readability of your project, so take your time to find the perfect match. Next, let's cover how to change the font for captions, those useful text elements generated from your video transcript. Similar to static text, you'll want to begin by selecting the Captions layer. You can do this by clicking on the layer within your scene or directly on the timeline. Selecting this layer is crucial as it allows you to make the necessary modifications. With your Captions layer selected, once again, navigate over to the Properties panel in the side pane. Here, you will find that same font drop-down menu you saw earlier for static text. This familiar tool lets you choose a font style for your captions as well. Since captions are an important tool for accessibility and comprehension, selecting a clear and readable font is essential. A font that is easy on the eyes can make a huge difference in viewer experience, so consider your choice carefully. And that's all there is to it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily change the fonts of both static text and captions within Descript. Remember, customizing your text can greatly enhance the overall appeal and effectiveness of your video, making it more engaging for your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your video editing process smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.